Welcome back to the Bay East Association of Realtors Grab and Go videos. Today, we'll show you how to search for listings in Paragon Connect. Start by selecting the three-line menu icon, also known as the hamburger menu, in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Properties. Next, choose the property class you'd like to search. For this example, we'll select Residential. Now it's time to enter your search criteria. Looking for a specific city, price range, or property feature? Simply fill in the fields that match your search needs. Not sure what options are available in a particular field? Click the magnifying glass icon next to that field to view all available choices. Once you've entered your criteria, click the Search button in the lower right corner. Your search results will now appear on screen. Want to view your results in a different format? Click the View icon in the upper right corner of the results page. From there, you can choose from several display options, including Spreadsheet View, Map View, CMA Summary, Analytic Results. Explore the view that works best for your workflow and analysis needs. And that's it. You now know how to search for listings in Paragon Connect. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Grab and Go video.